I'm John Salley for the Humane Society of the United States. Did you know that Americans eat more meat per person than just about any other nation on earth? Each of us, on average, eats 200 pounds of chicken, turkey, pork, and beef each year, and our meat-heavy habits are rapidly taking root around the world. The growth of factory farming is now taking place in developing and emerging economies. This high demand forces billions of animals to endure the cruelty of factory farms and slaughter plants. Pigs, calves, and hens are crammed into small crates and cages and virtually immobilized for their entire lives. That's like you living in an airplane seat forever. Chickens are genetically manipulated to grow so fat, so quickly, many of them can't even walk more than a couple of steps. Many are slaughtered while still conscious. As horrifying as this is, these are standard practices in today's meat, egg, and dairy industries. The good news is we're doing something about it. With your help, we will take our fight to the next level. Through our efforts with restaurants and food service companies offering more meatless meals, we're helping lessen the number of animals used for food. We're working with the biggest food retailers to require that their suppliers stop locking pigs and hens in cages. We're getting the top pig producers to stop using crates. We're working with farmers and ranchers to adhere to animal welfare standards and promote good stewardship for animals and the land, and working to halt the spread of factory farming in Asia. All animals deserve protection from cruelty. It's time they had a voice. Yours. A humane society starts with you.